it?
Yeah.
You need help, don't you? And Daniel left.
Yeah.
Can you open it?
Sure.
Let's see. What is it? Who's it from? Who gave you that present?
Vice President, according to sources and people that you know in the building, after it was hit, they wanted to
Ask Uncle Daniel if he'll help you.
Help me.
Ask him.
After open, please. After Daniel. He's going to.
Okay, you don't have to throw that away. Come back here. We'll throw it away in a minute.
I still went away. He opened.
I didn't expect you to get into these things.
9:30
in the morning. That went.
Well, there is Roland. You have a good shot. I'm sure you're doing it there. He's 5'9". He's got brown hair, brown eyes.
Did you bring scissors in here?
107th floor.
Mm-mm.
Getting that ID number.
I need scissors. Here we go. Hold on, there's more plastic. Say thank you to the camera.
Goodbye.
Say I love you, Aunt Lynn.
I love you, Aunt.
You see the dark black stars. Of course, the kids dress.
Wow, who got you this?
Titi Lynn.
Titi Lynn.
Yeah.
I got baseball.
Man, you got a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, baseball.
Looky here, you got a hat.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good.
Look at that hat.
Look at the camera, D. D. It's got a big D on it. Here, Zachy. Look at Mama.
Titi.
Look.
We have just gotten in the last few minutes from city engineers who have informed the Fox News channel that Joseph Sheedy from Thornton Tomasetti Engineering Firm, which is evaluating the safety of buildings around the World Trade Center, has given...
Cool, do that.
Ooh, looky here, Zachy. Look what you got.
Ooh.
Goes with your hat.
Yeah. I heard a baseball.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
And an afternoon evacuation
Okay,
Let's see what else you got here.
building there.
Okay.
They've all been checked out. The report has just come in, and
Oh,
word
good
from the
at that.
engineering firm is they are
Wow, you got a bunch of candy.
So the first three do remain evacuated and have been
Baseball.
since the
That's a baseball pencil. You got Diamondback pens.
out amid the smoke in the far distance from
Cool.
what
I got a good.
You got bubble gum.
Yeah, me.
You got a glove
Yeah, and a baseball.
and a baseball and more gum
Yeah.
Passengers and crew of those hijacked planes.
and some
Now they're
candy.
trying to cope with their loss.
Wow.
What word that?
Well, I don't
The pilot
think there's anything else in here.
Flight 77.
No, there's not. That's it, baby.
Dulles, Virginia to Los Angeles.
Cool.
They crashed.
Wonder if Momo gets to keep the basket or if I have to give it to Mommy.
Yeah, baseball.
You like
But
it,
you do have to
Zachy?
clean up.
Look at Mama. Do you like it?
Yeah,
Come here,
that.
Zachary. Come here. Let's see if your shirt fits. Come here.
Is it?
Let me see.
He said it fits. Hold on.
Put it back on there and look at
Hold
Mama.
on. We're going to try it on, okay? So Aunt Lynn can see it.
And they gave a lot to the community.
Come here.
And this is just so. They were on their way to Australia.
The baseball.
Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop. Come here. We're going to try this on.
What? Something's in that baseball bat.
I know. Let me see this.
3 days of rescue efforts now taking a toll of rescued dogs as well.
Candy.
Doctors at St. Vincent's Hospital
Candy.
take care of 2 injured dogs. They were treated and released to hospital.
Sucker.
Yeah, hold on. First, I'll give you the sucker if you try this shirt on.
World Trade Center.
That's called bribery.
Relatives of missing come looking for miracles.
I will.
Team Fox
Put your arms up.
now Kieran Chetry
I
live
do.
at St. Vincent's
I got
Hospital.
some.
Ooh, naked baby. Come here.
I got some
Alright, put the another in. Remember, you can have candy after you try this on.
Not like that one.
Yep.
Take that.
Here, I'll get the tags. Hold on. You just follow Uncle D's lead. He won't lead you wrong.
Aren't you sharp, buddy?
This is your baseball shirt.
Yeah.
The baseball players wear these.
Yeah, I think the game baseball.
Got to put your hat on.
Now here's your hat. Put your hat on.
Take that.
Now look at the
Look at
camera.
Mama. Say, ooh, Titi Lynn, look at me.
Don't pull that. Don't pull that. Don't pull that.
Uncle Daniel will cut it off, honey. Don't pull it.
She has not heard from him since. They were celebrating their 1 year anniversary just recently, and she also.
Thank you.
Oh, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Oh, yeah, buddy. Look at that. Looky here again. Let's see that cap on his ear. Look at it.
Come here, let me hook you up. Show Mama.
Oh, yeah, that's the way.
Show Mama.
Look. Oh, yeah.
Let me look in.
What is that?
Collapsed around them, and even though they had the door sealed up tight, the window shut, there was fine debris that had made its way inside of that debris that a lot of people.
Zachy.